With power, Smart Tint powers on clear and powers off private. The reverse operation is available upon special request. Our technology is fully dimmable and applies to any new or existing smooth glass surface. Smart Cling technology. With our proprietary Smart Cling Self-Adhesive technology, our film can be installed on any smooth glass surface. It's the only film in the industry that outgasses on its own, not voiding any warranties. Nano Hard Shell Coating. With our proprietary Nano Hard Shell Coating technology, Smart Tint is the world's first smart security film, delaying an intruder's access into restricted areas. Multiple colors available. Our colors include white, gray, black, and custom colors are available upon request. UV block. Smart Tint blocks 99% of UV rays and provides IR protection, insulating your glass, lowering your carbon footprint. Projection. Smart Tint converts any glass into a projection screen. Privacy on demand. Smart Tint provides the ultimate privacy on demand for any industry. Fully compatible with third-party controls, includes a remote control and engineering time with every order to assist with your project scope. Genuine Smart Tint authenticity seal and serial number. Every piece of Smart Tint has a serial number and certificate of authenticity, so you know you're getting our proprietary Smart Cling Self-Adhesive technology.